Can I make $1 million in 40 days using AI building this app from scratch? Well, I thought about making a video like that and starting off this journey that way, but that's not really who I am. I decided to start a journey, a challenge for myself. Basically, I want to see if I can build out an app in the next 40 days using AI, no code, tools like Bolt.new, Replit agents, things like that, to build out this app, because I don't have any coding experience, but I do love to create. And even though I have this idea, oh, can I make $1 million from this app and blah, blah. No, there's things that really mean more. I wanted to be more authentic than that. And I had an idea, it was yesterday or the day before, about a Christmas present for my mom. And my mother, she's a writer. She's been a writer her whole life, and she's changed and helped a lot of people throughout life. And I really wanted to give her something that is genuine, not just like a blender or something like that. And I know that as she gets older, it was harder to do things like sit down and type for extended amounts of time at the computer and focus on things. She has to have different medical things to go on with her eyes and hearing and all these things. So I was like, can I make an app that could help her in some way? And then I came up with this idea based on this whole concept, and it's something that I'm calling the Remember Me experience. Well, no, sorry. It's something that I'm calling the Remember Me experiment. So people are getting older. That's what happens when you live on the world. You get older. And as people get older, unfortunately, at some point, we're all gonna die. But other than leaving monetary rewards for people, like your inheritance or whatever, what do people want to leave with the next generation and the next generation and the next generation? A lot of people want to leave their story, to pass on what their life was like so that you'll be remembered. But most people don't have the time, patience, tools, or know-how in order to put their life story out and make some book or something like that so that their kids and their grandkids will know what their life was like. So thinking about all these different things, I decided that I'm going to do my best to build out something that I can at least present to my mom for Christmas. And why did I pick 40 days? Well, I picked 40 days because that puts me at the 23rd of December. And honestly, I'll probably be running around and buying presents and wrapping gifts and doing all the things that we do around the holidays. So I wanted to give myself that little bit of time to kind of wrap things up and hopefully wrap this into some sort of present form. So that's the journey that I'm on. That's my mission, is to see how far I can get with this idea, with this concept, build out this app to the point that I can present it to my mom for one, and to as many people as possible that are in a similar situation. So that's what I've got going on. I don't know exactly where I'm going to start, but I'm going to go ahead and get started and take you along for the process. So this is me. I'm Khalil. I'm going to try to build something with you right next to me. So see how it goes.